Hey guys, Jane here from Tech. I just wanted to do a quick video to show you the Huawei Mate XS running the Google applications fully without any issues. So the trick about this one is we have this app called Googlfier, which basically install the Google apps for you through a series of shortcuts in a manner that will tell the phone to install the apps and kind of glitch out the Google service framework, but everything is running smoothly. Link will be in the description if you want to download the files. And yeah, as you can see, we got notification from Snapchat, we got Gmail going on, Google Assistant, right here. There we go, we got another Snapchat, Instagram, sorry, YouTube, sorry, my Wi-Fi is a bit slow, there we go. We also got Waze, running just fine, Google Maps. What else can I show you? Oh, and of course the Play Store. So if you want to download an app, I'm going to take for example Google Home here, install. There we go, so we got the Google Home. I'm going to open the screen. So yeah, from here you can download all your apps, have all your notifications ready to go. The best thing I can recommend you, because side loading the Google apps can affect your notifications, because a lot of these apps depend on Google service framework. So most of the apps you can get from the Huawei app gallery or the Huawei app store, get them from there, so you can minimize your issues with notifications. But if you do run into notifications issues, you want to download the Aurora store here and download your apps through there, and you'll get your notifications anyway. But if you ever need apps, you got the Play Store, you got the Aurora store here, and you also have the Huawei app store. So yeah, as you can see as well, Spotify running just fine. So yeah, thanks for watching, and if you want to do that to your Huawei Mate XS, all the files will be in the description. So basically all you would need to do is download the files, open Googlfier, and basically follow the prompts of the apps, and you'll get everything done for you hassle free. Thanks for watching.